First blood. You know your vision's really broke. I've been woke with the goat, speaking with the Holy Ghost, trying to tote, hit the road. Got some packs so I'm a note, running around on the illest and trying to kill it. My mom been alone on the road. I'm slowly recovering like all of the hoes. Ain't nothing gon' keep me from out of my zone. I'm mobbing so trying to keep up with the flow. My homies gon' tell me the next way to go, and then I explode. Packing the punch and just feeling the music. You do just fit for a couple of views. I'm changing the game and I'm bringing it new. Trying to level the field up and stopping my boots. Nothing left to say. Trying to fuck the game, feeling like a renegade. Push to make a plane, no one say. Say this shit today. Rise like murder rates, know the name. Turn my shit and bump it and stay. Man, what set you claim? Man, what set you claim? I play a different game. I spit, I go insane. Numb the beat like Novocaine. Part as a rapper, they know where to put it. So now I hop out trying to do what I shouldn't. Like seeing your girl trying to stick on my wood. And now you come back and you saying she couldn't deny the guy who flies the hustle and grind. Keep up with the times, I'm out of my mind. I got the supply, now run this shit back and keep up with my rhymes. Might have to do it a couple of times, but hear every word and it's aging like lines. And fuck what you sign, I'm drawing the line. Get out of my face, that's a check on your mind. Nothing left to say, trying to fuck the game, feeling like a renegade. Push to make a play, no one safe. Feel this shit today, rise like murder rates, know the name. Turn my shit and bump in any state. Man, what set you claim?
Все красиво, когда у папы ксива. Бабки, связи и деньги, все берут.
Да, сука, новый автомат 47 АК, сука, мы палим города. Ра-та-та-та-та, сука, это навека. Папа да АК, то как мы валим на бедах. Ра-та-та-та-та, да, сука, новый автомат 47 АК, сука, мы палим города. Ра-та-та-та-та, сука, это навека. Папа да АК, то как мы валим на бедах.
Это мы не проходили, это нам не задавали. Мы сами это замутили и записали в подвале. Звук в наушниках хвалит, давай пускай на динамик. Цепи его отпускай, пускай нахуй придавит. Звук с окраины и гад, лоб пятерка закат. Ставчик пленкой замот, аку метилом закапан. Моя банда старше баба, твоя банда одни баба. Моя лапа, будто лампа, твоя баба, будто лампа. Твоя баба, будто ладно.
Да, сука, новый автомат 47 АК, сука, мы палим города. Ра-та-та-та-та, сука, это навека. Папа да АК, то как мы палим на бедах. Ра-та-та-та-та, да, сука, новый автомат 47 АК, сука, мы палим города. Ра-та-та-та-та, сука, это навека. Папа да АК, то как мы палим на бедах. Ра-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та.
Ain't no room for the haters, ain't got time for jealousy. I'm too focused on the music, the money, and where I'm headed. Never rain on my parade, I'ma get an umbrella. Fuck all they damn opinions, never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the world on my vision. Still I want the distance and stay driven. Gotta go for it, do or die. I can't slow down, I feel too alive. I'ma chase my dreams, fucking suicide. If you walk in my shoes, you would lose your mind. Got the blood of a champion in my veins. I ain't following nobody, I'm in my own lane. Live a day in my life, come and feel my pain. I'm balling out like LeBron and Dwayne in overtime. On my life, time to turn it up in the overdrive. Gotta live your life with an open mind. Blood, sweat, tears got me so alive. Pull up with a bad one, get a passer. Jerk side with an ass, got a fat one. Used to never get money, a hoes back then. Now I get both whenever I get a chance to. Wait to focus on the money, turn a vision to it. Embrace the struggle and you gonna get through it. Never give up, boy, you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me and what I'm doing. If anyone listening got a dream, better go for it. If you think about giving up, better hold on. I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pull up, goodbye, so I roll one.
When you're alone, it can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, I'm 3 feet tall.
same routine, hoping and praying for sunshine. A plan that don't work out, that they cruising. Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling hard, boy, it's crunch time. Praying to God he don't lose me. Shot at my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the roof sleeve. On the Bruce Lee of this rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely and cold, so go make sure that you bring a jacket. Putting my heart and my soul in this music, I can't wait too far to turn back, bitch. People all told me that I wouldn't make it, now they the ones saying congrats, kid. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping, I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was handed to me. Every day I would practice, struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit for my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up, screaming fuck them all. Every single day of my life I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my rights from wrong. Hella shit on my mind, no time for the bullshit, boy, I gotta work hard.
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall.
Young Ting, you going crazy.
Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. I thought that I'd die. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. A date been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk. Told me to swim, then you watched as I sunk. I can't forgive you, no, I'm not that dumb. Paranoid, I gotta run. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Once upon a time I used to hold you close. Now the only thing I'm holding is a broken soul. Knock me down and I'm still falling like some dominoes. Oh no, I'm trapped, I can't get out. No. Back to the basics, you crazy as hell, and I can't bring myself to say I wish you well. Trying to be tough in a world that's ablaze. You told me that you would stay. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies.